I realized that it's practically impossible to change our parents or compel them to see what they choose to ignore. A crucial life lesson is understanding that not everyone desires change, even if they are in difficult circumstances. While it may be painful, it's vital to accept that some individuals, including our parents, prefer familiarity over transformation even when they are unhappy. The most valuable gift we can offer our parents as we grow older is not to parent them further, but to focus on nurturing our own healthy relationships, households, and families. By breaking this cycle, we can display love, respect, and honor for our parents by acknowledging their current state. Simultaneously, we show love, respect, and honor for ourselves by recognizing our boundaries and releasing the urge to rescue them. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.